Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a ChatGPT account on your mobile phone step by step. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, this beginner friendly tutorial will help you register, verify and start using ChatGPT in just few minutes. So if you're new to ChatGPT or signing up for the first time, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to download and install the ChatGPT app, and for you to do that you have to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, then you have to go over to your App Store. So let me tap my Play Store right away. Open up your App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then now my Play Store has opened up. Let me tap on the search icon, then let me tap on the search bar at the top, then let me go ahead now to type in ChatGPT, then let me tap on search. Right there is the ChatGPT app. You can see the logo, so let me tap on it to see it clearly. You can see it clearly, so let me go ahead now to tap on install to download and install it. Let me tap on install. You can see guys, I've started installing, I've started downloading. Is at 2%. It's going to get to 100% in a few seconds. So let me just wait for a few seconds. Let's just be patient. After it's done downloading, after it has gotten to 100%, then it's going to start installing automatically. So that's how it works. You can see it's getting to 100. Now it has gotten to 100 and it's now installing. So it's going to get installed now. Wow guys, you can see the ChatGPT app has been installed. So now to open it, I have to tap on open. So let me tap on open. You can see now the ChatGPT app is opening. See, it's still loading up. You can see it says welcome to ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and tap on continue. Then right here, what you have to do is to tap on login. You can see login at the top right corner. So let me tap on login. Then right here it says login or create an account. This video is about how to create a new ChatGPT account. So what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see sign up. You can see sign up right there. So let me go ahead now to tap on sign up. Then right here, what you have to do is to go ahead now to input your email address. You can see where it is written email, but in case you want to create your account using your Google account, just tap on where you can see continue with Google. So guys, now I want to use my email address. So what I will do now is to tap on email. So let me tap on email right away. Then let me go ahead now to type in my email address. You can see I've inputted it. So let me tap on continue. You can see it's loading up. Then right here it says create your account, set up your password for OpenAI to continue. So what I have to do now is to create my password. You can see I've inputted my password. So let me tap on continue. Then right here it says check your inbox, enter the verification code we've just sent to your email address. So let me go over to my Gmail. Let me go over to my Gmail app. Then right there is the email. Let me open it up so I can copy the verification code. You can see the code. So let me highlight it real quick. Then let me tap on copy. So let me quickly go back now to the ChatGPT app. Then let me paste it. You can see it's loading. Then right here is the next step. It says tell us about you. So what you have to do here now is to input your full name and birthday. So let me do that. You can see I've inputted my full name and also my birthday. So what I will do now is to tap on continue. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue. You can see it's loading up. Wow guys, you can see now I've now been able to create a ChatGPT account on my mobile device. So guys, this is how it can be done, and I believe it got value. So do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.